For this, you're gonna need 2 pieces of an elastic fabric with 55 by 18 centimeters, scissors, matching thread, a marker and a ruler, and a sewing machine. So, first of all, just fold one of the pieces in half, leaving the reverse side out. Sew it in both sides, leaving a gap with 1 centimeter in each side. It should look like this. Now just turn it to the right side. Now grab the other piece and pass it through the gaps. Now place the sewed piece inside of the unsewed one. Fold it in half and sew it in both sides. Make sure you don't sew the piece that's inside. Make sure to sew it really close to the center. It will make the difference in the end. It should look more or less like this. Now just turn it to the right side. Your headband is almost done. Now the final step. Put the extremities together and sew it all along. Since this is an elastic fabric, you can use an overlock machine. But if you don't have one, just sew it with a straight stitch, like I did. After sewing the gap with an invisible stitch, it's done. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.